Hi everyone, I'm Savannah. Today I'm going to be identifying individual, task, and environmental constraints acting on manipulation skills. So first we have constraints on throwing, and first is individual. So we have gender, boys versus girls. Obviously, boys and girls are differently genetically made up. So boys tend to be stronger and have different muscle toneness, mass, whatever. Age, so obviously if a child is learning to throw versus an adult is learning to throw, a child has less control over their body movements, and so it's going to be a little harder for them to throw. And then biological makeup, so we have shoulder and hip rotation, joint diameters, and then next we have task, so accuracy versus force. We saw this in the videos that we had to watch and then explain. When a person is throwing for accuracy, it seems that they aren't focused on the actual cues that we're giving them, so they aren't fully throwing the ball how they should be. And then with force, they're actually going through all of the motions to get the ball out forcefully and with the distance that they want. So the form of their development is actually better. We have throwing stationary versus on the run. So that's a constraint because if we're just standing there and stepping to throw, it's going to be a little more accurate than trying to step when you're running and get your footing and then throw the ball. And then we have environmental, so distance from the target. Obviously, if you're closer to the target, it's going to be easier to get it there. The size of the target, if you're throwing at a small target, it's going to be harder to place the ball where you want it than if it's going to be a bigger target. And then we have instruction and then cultural impact for environmental. Thank you.